Oh wow. Hold up. Is that been recording? Hold up. Damn, I can't tell. Hold up. Oh, that been recording. Hold up. Y'all see me? It look kind of tilted. It's kind of tripping. Okay, but anyway, I hope y'all can see me. Are we good? All right, cool. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, Chris Fanny, and today's video, we're gonna be talking about peace, bro. Peace of mind and how to maintain it, because some people are born with it because their parents, they're not really anger invested people, or they're not bipolar, or they don't have any anger management, because that's DNA. That's definitely DNA. Because I can't tell you there's times like I don't want to just beat somebody's ass or beat somebody's behind. I really be trying to draw blood. Like I'm really crazy. You know what I'm saying? But that's the sin. So I guess I can't do that. I guess. So yeah, but for real, I be wanting tear some limbs type stuff, and I'm just being real about me, because I know I'm crazy. I know y'all think I'm oh, he's nice, oh, he's sweet, and he humble. I worked on this, bro. If I didn't work on this, I don't know where I'd be right now. So definitely the way to work on that and to get into specifics, and not just saying, oh, meditate. No, you have to learn how to meditate. And there's different types of meditations for each people. So, for example, if rain makes you calm, get an audio of rain. Literally, put an audio on YouTube and rain. Set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes or 30, how much time you have. And just sit there. And just close your eyes. Kick your feet back. You don't have to, get the meditation pose. You don't have to do that. Or if you're flexible, or if that's what you want to do. But find something, some music, or if you need noise, or even if without noise, if that's what helps you, just sit and let your mind relax. Now, meditation is not for everybody, so I'm gonna be clear about that too. And the number two solution is honestly just working on things that make you mad. Which, like I said, comes back to self-awareness. So when you know something ticks you off, let's try to figure out the best solution, a way to avoid that thing, or a pet peeve of yours that you don't like. For example, if you don't like, for me, I don't like when people zip the zippers, that sound, it makes my ears ring and it makes my teeth itch. I can't explain how. I don't know why the body was created like this. No clue. But it makes my teeth literally shiver. It's I can't explain it. Anyway, so what I do is I don't have any zippers. I buy clothes without zippers. I don't. If it has a zipper besides pants, that's only a one-time thing. It's not like a. See, that's where I see that I've controlled that. Cause see this shirt, this could be somebody's face. You don't even see their skin color. But anyway, but yeah, man, just stuff like that, simple things that, or like I said, or in arguments, when someone, excuse me, when someone says something you don't like talking about racism or racial slurs, just if someone starts a conversation, hey man, speaking of race, man, I love when black people, or make it into something positive, or when there's a specific topic you don't like talking about, roller coasters or something, maybe something bad happened to you in a roller coaster. Be creative, man. This generation is so non-creative, but when it comes to TikToks and all that stuff, y'all wanna. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my leg in the air like this, and we gonna dance at the same time. Y'all get creative with little TikTok, click clock. Which I don't want to get creative with helping yourselves and happiness. I don't understand. Y'all think TikTok makes y'all happy because y'all dance for your quick 30 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Y'all think that's happiness? Dog, you can't dance forever. You're gonna get tired. You know what I'm saying? So that's where the mental part comes in. So y'all work on that. Let me see if this is still recording, because I might be. Hold up. That's a message from Bay. But yeah, so guys, man, for real, try to be creative. with ways to avoid things that make you angry. Meditation. Look at different ways to meditate. You know, try to work on your mind. I'm telling you, man. Like, everything is mental before it's physical. I promise you, it is. Like, any situation, like, you can take it a different way. Just like how people always be in their feelings when they hear jokes. That's why people can't understand Dave Chappelle. Like, Dave Chappelle is really, it's dark humor. Like, it's funny. Like, if you stop taking everything personally, bro, like, you won't laugh. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, that's really all I have to say, man. As I always say, hey, snap. Push up. I'm clean. Well, I promise you I'm clean.